YouTube back with another video. You on that bike. Okay. Yeah, you took me back. I'm sorry. Oh, crap. Oh yeah, so I'm just riding my dirt bike right now. Make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Subscribe, y'all. Well, I might keep you guys with me for part 2, but yeah. Okay. And probably it. Oh my gosh. It just shut down. Sita, what happened?